Why is my Questrade cash negative? Don't panic. Hey everyone, stock market adventurer here. Have you ever logged into your Questrade account, feeling confident and ready to trade, only to be met with a scary sight, negative cash? Now, before you hit the sell button on everything you own, let's take a deep breath. A negative cash balance in Questrade doesn't necessarily mean you've done something wrong. In fact, it can be a normal part of using certain Questrade features. But I know, seeing a negative number can be unsettling. So, in today's video, we're going to crack the code on negative cash in Questrade. We'll explore the different reasons why it might happen, and most importantly, what you can do about it. Now, before we dive in, let's rewind a bit. Remember, Questrade offers different account types, each with its own set of rules. The two most common are registered accounts, like TFSAs and RRSPs, and margin accounts. Understanding the type of account you have is crucial to understanding your negative cash. Alright, with that foundation set, let's get to the nitty-gritty. There are three main reasons why you might see negative cash in Questrade. Reason number 1, margin magic, or maybe mayhem. Margin accounts are like turbochargers for your investing. They allow you to borrow money from Questrade to buy more securities than you have cash available. It's a great way to amplify your gains, but also magnify your losses. Now, here's the catch. Borrowing money comes with interest. So, if you have a negative cash balance in a margin account, it simply means you've borrowed money to invest. This negative number represents the outstanding loan amount. Is this a bad thing? Not necessarily. As long as your investments are performing well and generating enough returns to cover the interest on the loan, you're good. But remember, the stock market can be unpredictable. If your investments take a nosedive, you'll be responsible for repaying the loan, potentially with additional interest charges. Reason number 2, the foreign currency factor. Let's say you're a Canadian investor with a sweet tooth for US stocks. You buy some Apple shares with your CAD sitting in Questrade. But here's the thing, Questrade doesn't automatically convert your currency. So, if you don't have enough USD to cover the purchase, your USD cash balance will go negative. This negative number reflects the amount of USD you owe Questrade for the stock purchase. The solution? Manually convert your CAD to USD before buying those US stocks. This way, you avoid the negative balance and any pesky foreign exchange fees. Reason number 3, the settlement scramble. Sometimes, a negative cash balance can be a temporary glitch. This often happens due to unsettled trades. Remember, when you buy or sell securities, the trade doesn't settle immediately. It can take a couple of days for the cash and securities to officially transfer. During this settlement period, your cash balance might appear negative. This is because Questrade has already deducted the funds for your purchase, but hasn't yet received the corresponding cash from the seller. Don't worry, this negative balance should disappear within a few business days once the trade settles. Taking control of your Questrade cash. So, what can you do if you're staring down a negative cash balance? For margin users, if you're using margin and the negative balance is making you nervous, consider depositing more cash into your account. This will reduce your loan amount and lower your interest payments. For multi-currency investors, always keep an eye on your foreign currency holdings. If you plan on buying US stocks, make sure you have enough USD available to avoid a negative balance. For the settlement savvy, if you suspect your negative balance is due to unsettled trades, just give it a few days to resolve. Remember, a negative cash balance in Questrade doesn't have to be a cause for panic. By understanding the reasons behind it and taking appropriate action, you can keep your finances in check and continue your investing journey with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.